I'll be showing you how you can use the free CBT on pass.cloudnode.com. So what you have to do is go over to your browser. So just quickly go over to your browser, and right in your browser you just search for pass.cloudnode.com. Just like this, pass.cloudnode.com. So once you've searched it, all you have to do is click on go. Then now you are in the JAM CBT platform right here. Now what we need to do is to get started. So as you can see practice now, but because we don't have an account yet, all we need to do now is to click get started. So here we have to put in our information. So I'll put in my first name. Then once I put in my password, I have to click. If I'm a school owner, then I can click I am a school owner. Maybe you have a CBT center and you want to use this CBT application, then you can click school owner, which means you want to use it for your students, for them to practice, then you can click this. But if you are just a student, then you need to click sign up. Leave that on check, then click sign up. So now it's creating your account. As you can see, welcome, your account have been created for you successfully. So I'll just leave this for now. We'll come to this later. So let's focus on how you can start learning on the JAM CBT platform. So now I said welcome, and here you can find every information, everything you need to know. So right here you see join competition mode, where you have to compete with other students by learning. So you learn, you practice, and as you practice you get points, and the more you keep on practicing, the more you stand a chance to win. And you will definitely be competing with other students in science or art, various category. So right here we have practice mode, then we have the competition, then we have the performance analytics, your dashboard, where you get to see the individual students. So when you come over to these three dots right here, you can click on this, then select practice, click on practice. Then now you see this section right here, you can click on start practice. So right here we have the various subjects. So now I've selected 4 subjects. So let's go over to this part right here, and let's select the year that we want to learn in. So let me just pick 2023. So now let's click start practice. Let's click on continue exam. All right, so as you can see now, our exam has started. Right here we have our time, and here is to submit your exam when you are done, and this is the questions. Now we are currently answering English, so let's scroll down here and read the question. All right, so let's click next. So now if you want to switch over to another subject, maybe you've answered English and you want to start answering another subject, you have to come over here to this section and select geography. So right as we are geography, we have to just select. Then once you are done answering, all you need to do now is come over here and click submit. Now you see you still have more time because jam is 2 hours, so definitely you still have more time. You can still go on and answer as much as you want. So right now I'm just going to click submit because of time. So now you see this warning, do you really want to submit? You have over 172 unanswered questions, and do you really want to submit? So for now I'll just click complete exam. So I'll show you what's the next step. It's done. So as you can see right now, this is our score right here. We got 2 answers correct and 6 wrong. Then we have 172 unanswered questions. So I scored 4.17 out of 400, which is very bad. So now you see how it works, and now you can either choose to view your corrections so that you see those mistakes which you made and see the corrections and get to know the correct answers to those questions. So right here you can see that the total question we answered is 8, got 2 right, then failed 6. So let me scroll down to the bottom. So the first one for the mathematics, I got it, which is B 13. And if you scroll down more right here, we'll click next, and let's click next. You see I got this one, So let me click next. So this is how you can log in into pass.cloudnotes.com and start practicing using the free CBT platform. So make sure to like and follow us for more. And if you have any question, then let us know in the comment section.